Hello guys, today I am going to show you a web page designed by HTML and CSS, and it is a sidebar of a web page. You can see on the left I have a sidebar and it has 6 sub-elements in which I have provided links, and on the right side you can see that I have provided the file links. So how did I created this? Do you want to see it? So let's jump into it. First of all, I have created an HTML file, that is HTML5 file. Now after that I have created a div tag. In this div tag I have taken a class. This is called a property of a element or a tag. In this class I have provided a CSS. You can see I have already linked the style sheet with it, that is sidebar.css, and this is in the same folder in which I have kept my sidebar file. See, the CSS coding goes like this. Height of the site nav is 100%, so you can see that it is covering the whole area of the page. Now width is 200 pixels, but it is not covering whole area. It is only covering 200 pixels of width. Position is fixed. This means that it is fixed throughout. Now next thing is z-index -1. This will keep the web page out of white space area. Same with top and left. Now another thing is I have used this background color. Another thing is overflow X hidden. This is used to disable a horizontal scroll. Okay, so this is the basic CSS of a sidebar background, that is frame without content. Now if I comment out this whole content except div tag, you will see the real CSS part, that is this. A background division with a color and size of specific length. Now let's go to the another part, that is our content part. Okay, now the content part goes like that. First it is having a sidebar that is in header tag, which is at the center of the sidebar. So if I save my file and I refresh here, so I see there is a center sidebar here which is having length of h1 header tag. Now the next thing I have is an anchor tag, a href. href is used for linking the another web file to my this web file. So if I click on this file, it will give me redirection to another file where I have written this line, and it is here in my code as well, and the code is this. Yeah, you can see it. Hello, this is first page of sidebar. So this is my first file. Now the division of second file goes like this. Hello, this is the second page of the sidebar. You can see that H is coming here out of my content area. This is because I have not made it responsive. That if I maximize the size of increase the size of my window like this, it will come in center as well. But if I minimize it, it will again goes left side of it because it is not at specific position. This is due to unresponsiveness of the text here. Now one more thing I would like you to see, that when I hover on this first page, it is showing a white color instead of it's already a black color. Now the first page file is here. I have not did anything in this tag that it changes my color as well. So how I am doing it? This is because of this file that is in same folder and it is taking same class of side nav, but because of additional feature of HTML, the anchor tag is also embedded with it and we can provide the coding as well. So what we are doing here is we are providing padding to the content here, then we are providing text decoration which is not underlined. If you put any anchor tag any in the journal that we on a web page, it will always show a underline tag. When you click on it, it will highlight it and change its color. But here there is no line because I have provided a none attribute to my text decoration. So and yes, then the next field I have is font size, that is 25 pixel. Another thing is color, that is black. Display, that is block, that is in a block of it. Now I was telling you that it is having black color, then it changes into white. Why is it so? Because I have changed that color from black to white on a hover. If I change here color of it like to another one, it will change here as well. See, I have to refresh it. See, now the tag is blue in color when hovered, and this is the simple designing of sidebar using CSS and JavaScript. One more thing, if you want to change the look of sidebar to some professional thing, you can also do one thing, that you can provide a bootstrap to it. How you will do it? You will first have to go to Bootstrap website and download the Bootstrap from here. Click on download and it will start downloading. After it downloads, extract into your subfolder and you can use it then. Like I have it in here, Bootstrap, and I can use it CSS part, that I am going to use it right now. That is min.css, and yes, here I will going to be link it. Here I am going to be link it. So here it link it with the Bootstrap, then CSS, then I have so many options, that is this, then relation of it is style sheet, that's it. Now we will see what it changes in our sidebar. So see, it changes it completely. Now if we do that, still it's irresponsive, that I have told you already, but it has changed its font color and much more things as well. So this was it, a sidebar designed by HTML and JavaScript CSS. Thank you for watching.